Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at 3 cryptocurrencies with upcoming catalysts this week. And so as we can see, Bitcoin is currently trading at $50,662 after taking a massive sell-off a few days ago. And so we saw Bitcoin fall all the way down to $42,000. And Ethereum was trading right around $3,900, and so we can see now Ethereum is at $4,350, and so these cryptocurrencies are starting to bounce back a bit. And so one thing that is very important in the cryptocurrency market is to understand that the same cryptocurrency that you liked at all-time highs has that same roadmap, is the same project, and is still striving for the same goals. And so nothing has changed. And so we got to remember the big picture when we see those kind of sell-offs. And so if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're interested to know what I am buying and selling, you can check out Patreon under the video to provide access to a Discord chat. And as always, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion, so please do your own research. And so let's get into it. Let's take a look at some of the accomplishments in November for cryptocurrencies. We had Crypto.com sign a 20-year $700 million deal to rename the Staples Center. We had KuCoin Labs launching a $100 million metaverse and gaming fund. We also have the New York mayor down here that is going to be taking his first 3 paychecks in Bitcoin. We have Microsoft debuting the metaverse apps and games next year, and so they have announced that they're going to be interested into the metaverse as well, joining Facebook. And then we also have Paradigm co-founder Matt Hootson joining the board of Stripe. We have Tim Cook announcing that he personally owns crypto, but Apple has no plans to accept crypto payments. We have MicroStrategy that's buying 7,000 more Bitcoin. We have El Salvador that is continuing to buy Bitcoin. And so there was a lot of bullish news on cryptocurrencies in the month of November. And so this is just something to keep in mind. When we see cryptocurrencies fall, say 30%, we got to look at the big picture and see all the success and accomplishments that have happened over the last few months. And so the first cryptocurrency I'd like to talk about here that I still think has a ton of potential is Polygon. So I have talked about this in past videos as well. This is a cryptocurrency that I am very bullish on. And so we can see here that the current market cap of this is $15.8 billion and is currently trading as number 14 on CoinMarketCap at a price of $2.26. And so we can see here there was news released that a group of venture capital investors are in talks to back Ethereum scaler Polygon with an investment of between $50 and $150 million. And if the reported plans come to fruition, it would be a sign of confidence in India-based Polygon from the venture capital market in South Asia, something which has been difficult to attain. And so this could be very good news for Polygon going forward. And so Polygon's also going to be hosting an event here just in a couple of days. They're going to be hosting Polygon ZK Day, and this is where they're going to be discussing ZK rollups, a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. And so they're also going to have the founder of Ethereum on there, Vitalik, to discuss this as well. And so there could be a potential there that he says something that would drive up the price of MATIC. And then we also had Polygon come out about a week ago and announce that they're going to be making a very large announcement during this event. And so depending on the outcome of these events with Vitalik and the Polygon ZK Day, we could see a sell-off here. However, I still think there's a ton of potential for this, and MATIC going forward will definitely be a top ZK rollup. And so the next cryptocurrency I'd like to talk about here is Loopring. This is another zero knowledge rollup for layer 2 for Ethereum, and so they're offering trading and payment. I have talked about this cryptocurrency in the past as well, and I think this cryptocurrency also has a ton of potential. And so if we start seeing MATIC go up, I think this is also going to go up with it just because they are focusing on ZK rollups for a layer 2 scaling solution. And so we can see here that the current price of Loopring is $2.42 and it has a market cap of $3.2 billion. And so another possible catalyst for Loopring as well here is that Gamestop is going to be releasing their earnings on December 8th after market close. And so in a previous video I mentioned how Gamestop and Loopring may be working together. There was some leaked news and some coding for Loopring that mentioned Gamestop. And so if GameStop comes out during their earnings call and announces anything about Loopring, we could see the price of Loopring go up drastically. And so that's just something to keep in mind going forward. And so the next cryptocurrency I'd like to take a look at here also has an AMA that is coming up on December 9th. And so this is at 2:30 p.m. UTC. And so they're having an AMA with the CEO of Opacity. And so Opacity is focusing on private file storage and file sharing. So we can see here that the current price of Opacity is at 41 cents and it has a market cap of 33 million. So this is a fairly small market cap, and so there is a ton of potential for Opacity. And so we can see as well that the circulating supply of this is at about 62%. And so that is very good to see with such a small market cap as well. And so let's take a look into what Opacity is focusing on. And so they're focusing on file sharing on Opacity that is quick and simple. By just sharing a link, you can send anything from photos and videos to zip folders and large CAD files with anyone, even if they don't have an Opacity account. Share links and files from anywhere using your phone, tablet, or computer, and so there is no personal information, which means 100% trust. Only Opacity can guarantee your information will never be leaked or used by third-party ads because we don't ask for it. Your name, address, or credit card will never be compromised. And so this is a data cloud service where they do not collect any of your information, and so you can go ahead and share any of these files. It is essentially a decentralized cloud storage service for documents or videos or any information that you would like to store. And so let's take a look at some other comparisons here. And so we're looking at top storage tokens by market cap. And so as we can see here, the number one digital storage cryptocurrency is Filecoin. So this is currently trading at $39.16 and has a market cap of $5.2 billion. And so other cryptocurrencies that are focusing on digital storage as well here is Sia Coin with an $867 million market cap. We also have Storage as well that has a market cap of $650 million. And then as we continue to scroll down here, we find Opacity, and so this is only trading at 31 million currently and has a ton of potential. And so this is a cryptocurrency that I'm going to continue to watch. I have not bought a position in this yet. However, I am very interested in this. And then also in the near future here, they're also going to be releasing their mobile app where you can upload those right from your phone and send those to someone else as well. And so I think there's a ton of potential for this cryptocurrency going forward. And so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're interested in seeing future cryptocurrency videos, hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.